Hi, in this video we'll not be building any new program. What I want to show you in this video is the list of popular widgets you can use in a graphical user interface. So for example, a button is a widget, but there are other widgets as well, which I think it's good for you to know so that you know what queries to write when you're communicating with ChatGPT. So this picture is a screenshot of a desktop GUI, and this contains all the popular widgets. So let's start from here. Style here. Style is just a label, so a label widget, which means if you want to tell ChatGPT to add static text to the GUI, you want to say, give me a label widget with value style, for example. And then we have this widget here. This is a drop-down list widget. So this will have multiple options that the user can expand here and choose one of them. Then we have checkboxes such as this one here. And this one is in here, disable widgets and use style standard palette. These are two checkbox widgets. Then we have radio buttons. So in these here, the user can only select one of them. And these are grouped in something called a group. Then we have another group here. Here we have two types of buttons. We have a default button. This is a popular button, which can be pressed and something is executed. And then we have a toggle push button. So with toggle buttons, the button can be either on or off. So the user can press it and then they can release it with a second click. Then we have tabs. So this area here is a multi-tab area. We have a table tab and we have a text edit tab. So when the user is in the table tab, they can see this table widget. So we also have table widgets to show data. And then we have text edit widgets. This is simple. I'm not showing that here, but this is just a white area here where the user can enter multi-lines of text. So a text edit widget. Then we have input widgets, which can be simple input widgets or password input widgets. This one here happens to be a password input widget. So with password input widgets, when the user enters some text, that text is displayed as hidden text, so as you see here. So if you tell ChatGPT create an input widget, it will give you a simple input widget where the text will not be hidden. If you say give me a password input widget, then the text will be hidden. Then we have date time input widgets such as this one here. So in here the user can select a date and time. Then we have sliders such as this one here. The user can select a value by sliding this handle here along the slider. And lastly, we have progress bar widgets. So this usually is used to show the user that a process is running. So to make the GUI more user-friendly, it's a good idea to show a progress bar for processes that take more than a few seconds. And yeah, that's about the most popular widgets. So thanks for following this video, and in the next one, we'll build another program. I'll see you there.